Hello, my lovely viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel where we share lifestyle experiences, entertain, and express our opinions. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to my wonderful in-laws family, and we are gathered together to celebrate a special occasion. And this is a combined birthday party for my two amazing sons. So guys, feel free to leave your thoughts and comments below, and we love hearing from you. Now we are kicking things off with a refreshing glass of juice, followed by some amazing meal preparations, and you are going to love this. This delicious chicken dish was lovingly prepared by my brother-in-law's wife, and let me tell you guys, it's absolutely mouth-watering. And this is what true family unity looks like: sharing love, laughter, and great food. So guys, stay tuned and enjoy the celebration with us.
Get me rowdy. Get me rowdy.
Hizi sijasukuma nimekuwa. Chaki hivyo.
So guys, it's now time for lunch, and after lunch we will now move on to the cake cutting ceremony, actually celebrating the boys with love and laughter, and once everyone's full and happy, the real fun will now begin, and that is actually dancing, and you can see everyone joins in, enjoying the music and making memories together. So guys, this is what family unity looks like. You see, joy, togetherness, and celebration. My advice to my sons is that always put God first in everything you do, and may you grow up to be respectful, obedient, and kind-hearted young men. So chase your dreams boldly and hold on to your vision. No matter what challenges come your way, Learn to be independent, take responsibility, and always believe in yourself.